Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set maps, preferred type of travel to driving, walking, transit, or cycling on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Maps. Next, go to the preferred type of travel section, and from here you could choose driving, walking, transit, or cycling. Now set here, when available, this transportation type will be used to get directions and to estimate your travel time. So if you normally drive, you would select driving. If you normally cycling, you would choose the option. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.